Hello everyone, this is Angelino like always, and today I want to give you another site that I already give site like him that you can earn $28 per downloads. So before we start to the site, before we go to the site, just please, like always, if you like my video, don't forget to push like and subscribe my channel to be always updated with the new videos like this and how to make money for free online. Now let's go to the site. It's very easy and the registry is very easy also. You can get $28 per 3,000 downloads. Okay, this is the site called uploadev.org or .com. It's the same. So that is the total paid site that already paid people. It's kind of new. Total members, and here I'm already registered. My account, you can see here my account, the link if you want to go to my link to see what I will give you online. Here you can give you to download for free online. Here the traffic available today, 10,000 megabytes. Used space 0 from 200 gigabytes. The other site that I gave you is 195 gigabytes for free, and that without any paying for this site, because you have choices to make if you want. Here is my referral 0. This is the link if you want to go to my link here and see what I have on my upload EV drive. And below is my affiliate link if you want to get signed in. This is the site, and you can just write it up and just get sign up, and you will get for every affiliate also something like 50% per every one you referral. You can go to request money. I didn't check it yet, but I will do now. You can withdraw money to PayPal, and the minimum is $10. You can see web money, PayPal, bank wire, and Skrill and BTC minimal is $500. Okay, the other stuff is $100 to Skrill, bank wire $100, $50 to web money. I like the best PayPal. It's the minimum $10. Okay. Extend my own account for 7 days, blah blah blah. Create a new 7 days account for $1. That if you want to make a purchase of about any of this, you can do that. I don't like to do a purchase on these sites. I just like to earn money. You can share your link, like I said, in every site that you want about this media, or copy the referral link of yours and put it on everywhere you like. If you want to upload the video, you go to upload EV. Here upload your files, and you can see file upload from your computer or remote URL upload. The maximum file is 5,000 megabytes. That means something like 5 gigas. Okay, that's good. That's not bad. Okay, you can enter up to 10 URLs, one URL per row. Okay, copy files. I don't know how copy files work, but okay, you can check it out after that. This is about the site. Let's go to premium, and I will show you what available programs you can get, upgrades you can get. You can see here you have a lot of stuff: premium, registered, anonymous. The registered one is the free one. Okay, you can see that the anonymous is 500 megabytes only, the maximum upload. storage space, there are no storage space. I don't know what is the meaning of that. Download volume 5 gigabytes in 1 day, unlimited 10 gigabytes in 1 day. People can download your link for maximum 10 gigas every day, but the premium is unlimited, everything unlimited. And when are your files deleted? 30 days after the last download. Here's 60 days after last download. Here's never. Okay. I wish after all to use the registered user for free. I don't care. I can upload the file every 60 days again if I need to. So this is a good stuff for this site. And again, this is all about this site. If you want to put another languages here, you can choose what language do you want. Russian, Germany, French, Arabic, Turkish, Polish, Thai, Spanish, Japan, Hungary, Indonesia, Dutch, Hebrew. So it doesn't matter what language you want. You can check here. You have the all languages that we have in the world. I see here. So this site works worldwide, like I understand. Let's see another thing. Okay, we can see here that it is working for tier countries. I guess it's working worldwide for wherever you are. So okay, that's good. And that's it for this site right now. If you like the video, don't forget to like my video, and if you want to be updated always with the new videos, how to make money and good stuff, you can subscribe my channel. If you are not already signed up for my channel, subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe, so we'll be always updated with a new video like this and lots of good stuff. Thanks and goodbye.